everyone, welcome once again to Eurochef. This time we have updated our Egt55. This is now called Egt55-3E1E Pro because we have some new updates for it. Now let me just begin the way we always begin, with the top part. Here we have the stainless steel worktop. When you remove the thin film, you find that it's a stainless steel worktop. We still have the 1, 2, 3 aluminum BX burners with this enamel coated tops. We still have this 1200 watts hot plate. Most of the competitors, theirs is not 1200, it's below, is usually 1000 watts. Now moving on to the control panel here, we've added one more button, and that is this one right here for the oven light. As you can see, most of our customers were asking if we have the oven light, so we added the oven light. Coming back to the oven itself, it is still 55 liters capacity, and a unique feature that all Eurochef cookers have is that we have a double oven heater. That means we have this heater on top, we have another heater in the bottom. Most of the competitors, they only have the one in the bottom. So that is one of the features that stands out for Eurochef cookers. So let me demonstrate to you how to use this rotisserie. You can turn it on using this button right here, and see, it is on. Unaweka kuku, whatever it is you're cooking there. Ukimaliza unatumia hii handle kutoa. So you just switch it off, alafu unaweka handle na unatoa, just like that. So that's the rotisserie. Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, that is Egt55-3E1E Pro. Remember, the oven is electric oven, not gas oven. The pulse ignition means you just press the button and you turn on the burners like this. So just press on the button and then you turn it on like that. Press the button, turn on like that. Press the button, turn on like that. So this is pulse ignition. It's much more expensive than the one that you know. It's usually called auto ignition. Okay, yes, so many competitors don't have this pulse ignition. They only have the auto ignition, ile yenye ukifanya hivi unasikia ikifanya tap tap tap. So that is another difference. That's another key difference for our Eurochef cookers. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. We hope you're going to get yourself one of these Egt55-3E1E Pro.